Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to send money from your GCash account to your PayMaya account. Alright, so let's just get one thing straight, right? Transferring money between the Philippines' most popular e-wallet is pretty straightforward. However, it does require some additional understanding, and there are some key details that you need to take note of. So both of these platforms, both GCash and PayMaya, serves millions of Filipinos, making cross-wallet transfers increasingly common. Before you initiate your transfer, ensure that both your accounts are fully verified with government IDs and selfies to unlock higher transaction limits. Then also, transfers use GCash's bank transfer feature via InstaPay, which does include a fee per transaction but delivers funds instantly to the recipient's Maya or the PayMaya wallet. Step by step, let's jump into it. So open up your GCash app and log in to your account. Then from your dashboard, tap transfer and then bank transfer, and then select view all. This will allow you to see the complete list of supported institutions. Find and select Maya Philippines Inc. or Maya Wallet from the list. Enter the transfer amount, the recipient's full name as registered in the PayMaya, and then their 11-digit mobile number. You then have to review all the details, make sure that everything is correct, because any information that is incorrect can lead to a failed transfer and then obviously a loss of funds. You can now tap send money, enter the 6-digit OTP sent to your phone, and then wait for confirmation with your InstaPay reference number.